come home. I light up 1,000 candles and
How's it going, guys? So in today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to upgrade an old laptop. An old laptop like this. Right now, I have a Dell Latitude E6400. Dell Latitude E6400. So this belongs to our pastor. It's a very old laptop, so I'm going to upgrade it with an SSD. It's running right now with the hard drive. So we are going to compare how fast a hard drive can boot. So guys, I started the timer. Right now it's 50 seconds. It hasn't boot up. Okay, there it goes. That's the timer. And by the way, this is running from a newly installed Windows 10, so it doesn't have anything on the drive right now. Mostly Microsoft Word, Chrome, and other stuff, but no movies or files or documents yet, or games. So it takes about 1 minute and 16 seconds. 1 minute and 16 seconds to boot this computer that's running from a hard drive. And guys, it takes about 1 minute and 16 seconds. So let me just screenshot that. So it takes about 1 minute and 16 seconds to boot up. And by the way, this is a freshly installed Windows 10, and it doesn't have a lot of files yet. Mostly the files right now is Microsoft Office and Chrome, so that's about it. So we're gonna test on how fast will it open Chrome. Okay, that was fast. So guys, by the way, the specs of this laptop, it's wow, it's really slow. Okay, so the specs of this laptop, it runs on a Core 2 Duo 9500 clock at 2.5 gigahertz, and it has an NVIDIA Quadro. I'm not sure on how powerful this card is, but yeah, this thing has a graphics card, an onboard graphics card, and it's clocked at 2.5 gigahertz. I think that's a really nice. I think this released around early 2010, I think. So it's kind of high-end during the time. So right now I'm going to change the hard drive, and from a hard drive to solid state drive, to compare which one's faster. So guys, right now I took off the cover. So this, you have the CPU, the GPU, and the fan, and I took out the hard drive. Whoops. Let me just put it here. I don't know if you can see it. Finally, I put the SSD inside the laptop. I installed everything. I cloned the drive, and everything is set. So right now we're gonna boot it. We're gonna test it. So here we go. How do I do this with one hand? So guys, it's starting. Wow. So guys, it took around 16 seconds there. 16 seconds to boot up. So that's how fast an SSD. So if you have an old laptop inside your house or just a regular laptop that you can upgrade the hard drive, so if it feels slow, sluggish, you can just change the hard drive into an SSD and upgrade its RAM. And by the way, the RAM on this computer is upgraded to its maximum capacity, which is 4 gig DDR2. Sadly, I can't make it, sadly it's not compatible with DDR3 because the system is so old. So as you can see, it took 16 seconds just to boot from the startup to the desktop. So that's how you upgrade it.
Ay, upgrade lang na. Upgrade lang.
Paano mag-shoot do?
Masinggit ka lang kung masunod ka. Password.
S namang S. S atras.
Para na limahon. Kuyo, dapat din natin.
Paano mag-shoot man? Dito ron. Ay, cut clock by
live.
Okay, 11. Do kang panganay do.
Sa right click yan. Malakat ka.
Hindi, automatic ang lakat. Bali ang mataya ka lang eh. Ang reload, right click. Oh. Mga flash games. Pareho kung pwede mo ni makapipay sa laptop ni Norio. Pwede ka mo ni ka-multiplayer dayon.
Ako hampang na doon ako. Kasi hindi ko hanggang pasustinero lang.
Yan naka-minutes do.
50 seconds.
Okay na. Aring health nito. Kaso wala dito man health nang hindi ito makuha na. Ari granada, ni Blur Bala, no? Granada din. May ito yung mouse pad pero the SSD is quite superior compared to the hard drive. By the way, the hard drive cost me around 1,350 pesos. So it's a really worth it upgrade. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and feel free to subscribe and like and share this to your friends. So I'll see you on the next video. Peace.